Hello and welcome to my kitchen. We are here another day for another fantastic recipe, and today is the turn of ensalada de arroz or rice salad, and this is a mix between my mom's recipe and my own, so you can change it and adapt it to whatever you like. This is a total winner on barbecues and birthdays during the summertime because it's very fresh. So let's get into it and start cooking. The way that we start is we have the cooked rice in our bowl, and I'm going to add the ingredients. To the rice we will add, in no particular order, the lettuce. I didn't have any lettuce, so I've used rocket. So I'll add the rocket, in my case, the olives, the sweet corn, and the tuna. If you are vegan, just omit the tuna. We'll follow with the roast pepper, chopped, the onions chopped, the asparagus, the tomatoes, and the shredded carrots. And now what we do, we mix it with the rice, slowly so everything stays inside. Now this is very tasty the way it is, but we are going to make it even tastier by adding the garlic granules, and we mix. And now we will add the mayonnaise to your taste. I would say not too much. You want something that is not too heavy. And we will mix. And this, my dear friends, is a quick dish, summer, spring dish that will blow your mind away. Put it in the fridge for about half an hour minimum to have it nice and fresh. You can serve your salad with some vegan milanesas, mini milanesas, or breaded aubergine. It will go just excellent. If you want to know how I make the vegan milanesas, let me know and I'll do a video for you. And this is how they look. So, if you like this dish and any other of the dishes in my channel, please subscribe, show us some love by clicking like and sharing with your friends. And now I'm gonna stick it in the fridge and I'm gonna have dinner. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!